guys, welcome to my channel. Diana Loves Colors, and thank you for coming to get another look at Pink Teddy. And Pink Teddy is from FEELOOK Art, the diamond painting company, and they are doing a promotion of their Pink Series, and it is meant to celebrate women's strength, women's health, women's beauty, and they have added all new diamond paintings for this series. So originally, I thought there were 8 of them, and I chose one of the smaller ones because I am working on a larger one for them, which is Gentleman Rabbit. But here are the ones that they've added to their website: the cheetah, the unicorn, these beautiful florals here. There's Pink Teddy. We have another flying unicorn over there. This cute cat at the front of the carousel, and then a carousel horse. And they've also added these beautiful diamond paintings. This is Sacred Desire, Eternal Love, Aphrodite, and Celine, which is blue, and I would love to do that one there. So that's just a few of them that are on their website. They're adding more and more kits every month. So they are having the promotion on the pink one all through February. If you spend a certain amount of money, you can get a discount, and that goes up. The more you spend, the more you can save. And but if you just want to buy one or something, I do have an affiliate link and code in the description box. So let's get back to FEELOOK Art's Pink Teddy. I kitted this one up in the Harbor Freight boxes here. And there's a lot of multi-placing on this diamond painting, so I've got out my bigger multi-placers. Well, that one's only a 4, but I have a 6 or 7 here, and I also have a 15 that I have used already. The stick is really good on this diamond painting. The plastic is a nice heavier weight plastic. There are 20 colors in here that include 3 special drills that I'll be showing you when I get up there. This is all covered by release papers right now. So as I'm going, I'll be peeling these off and putting drills in that area. I like to start at the bottom and work my way up. But please go to the website, FEELOOK Art, and look at all of the diamond paintings that are available now. I think they are great. And although they are a little pricier than some of the diamond painting kits you can get elsewhere, I think they're worth every penny because of the high quality of the canvas, of the poured glue, of the drills, which are all resin. They're very, very sparkly. Well, this is a lighter color one that I'm using now, but it is still so sparkly. And they just fill in these lines so great on in my big tray here. So, well, I will be back and show you a lot more that is finished on this diamond painting next time. And I appreciate you being here. And I just want to say thank you so much to all of you who called me, who texted me, who emailed me, and commented on my channel about that terrible storm that we had, checking in, making sure I was okay. It was one of the craziest experiences that I've ever had in my life. When you have snow coming down 4 inches an hour, and you can barely get your door open, it's very scary. The wind was scary. So I appreciate all of your kind words, and even though you couldn't come over and help me, your your words really comforted me in that time. So thank you very much, and thank you to FEELOOK Art for letting me have this canvas to work on to show you guys. And I will see you next time with something new.